Wait, before you think it's just another smartphone, stop. Because the upcoming Huawei Nova 15 might actually surprise a lot of people in 2025. From the design, to the camera, to the performance Huawei is promising, this phone could shake the market again. So let's talk about why the Nova 15 is getting so much hype. But first, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're dropping more Huawei Nova 15 content very soon. Let's start with the design. Huawei's Nova series has always been known for being stylish, sleek, and premium without the crazy flagship price, and the Nova 15 continues that tradition. Expect a slim, modern body, curved aesthetics, and those elegant color options Huawei always delivers. This phone isn't trying to scream for attention, it's confidently premium. The type of phone you pull out and people instantly go, "Wait, what phone is that?" Lightweight, comfortable in the hand, and definitely built for people who care about aesthetics. If you care about how your phone looks as much as how it performs, this thing is already winning. Now let's talk display. A smartphone experience is nothing without a good screen. Expect the Nova 15 to come with a beautiful, high-quality display, smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and that punchy contrast Huawei phones are known for. Perfect for watching videos, scrolling social media, gaming, or just flexing your wallpapers. This phone is clearly built to be seen. Okay, now the exciting part, the camera. Huawei plus cameras equals always dangerous for the competition. Expect a highly improved camera system with strong image processing, better night photography, crisp details, and natural skin tones. Whether you're into portraits, vlogging, night shots, TikTok content, or just capturing everyday memories, Huawei is aiming to make the Nova 15 your new content partner. Low light performance? Expect improvements. Stabilization? Expect smoother videos. Selfie camera? Yeah, Nova users care about selfies, so Huawei isn't about to disappoint. This might easily become one of the best cameras in its price category. Now performance. Nobody wants lag, nobody wants a slow phone, and Huawei knows that. Expect fast response, smooth animations, efficient power management, and performance strong enough for gaming, multitasking, and heavy use without turning your phone into a hand heater. Too easy. This phone is clearly built for people who want power without breaking the bank. What's a powerful phone without battery life? Expect a solid battery with strong optimization and fast charging to keep you going throughout the day. Whether you're gaming, scrolling, filming, or traveling, the Nova 15 is built to stay alive. This is the type of phone you charge, then forget about battery anxiety. So why is everyone talking about the Huawei Nova 15? Simple. It's shaping up to be that perfect balance of style, performance, and camera quality without being insanely overpriced. A phone made for creators, a phone made for everyday users, a phone made for people who want flagship vibes without flagship prices. And honestly, that's what most people want today. And here's the crazy part. This is just the beginning. We still have more details coming, more real-world tests, camera reviews, speed tests, gaming performance, and full comparisons once it officially launches. So make sure you like this video, comment what you want to know about the Huawei Nova 15, and most importantly, subscribe because we've got more Huawei Nova 15 videos on the way. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.